Drop cap is very easy. Make sure you select it or you're inside of the text. Click on drop cap, drops, and margin. And I think because it is very large, maybe not so visible for something like drop. Allow me to copy this paragraph and add here to get larger. All right. Drop cap, there it is. And of course, you could go to the drop cap options. Let's say the first one. Okay. You could manually resize or even move it and adjust it. But on the options, we have the font, lines to drop, number of the lines. For instance, this time I want to set 4 line, and distance from text, adding more distance. Okay, and there it is. And note that on the drop cap, I could set multiple characters. How can I do that? Allow me to remove this one. All right. And type it again S. We have the placeholder. Okay. You could select your text first and then go to drop cap and apply any drop cap you want. Something like that. 3, and it is okay.